Sarah, get the fuck over here. Oh my god, bro, what did this lady want? It better be the pizza, bro. What the fuck do you want? Get your ass over here. Who's my real mom? What the fuck? Holy shit, mom, what's going on? He just realized he... Get your ass over. Sarah, get over here. I'm calling Domino's Pizza. Sarah, come here before I beat your laka waka tinka wong kong kong ching chong pong kong. Who wants pizza? Oh heck no, what the fuck is this lady doing? Oh my god, I gotta quiet my ass down. Sarah! Is that a phone? What the hell? Broski's gone, now I can finally rest in peace. Mommy! Mama, are you there? Oh my fucking god. Okay, don't be a pussy. Oh god damn! Sarah, do you want pizza? Get your ass down here before I drag you. You know what? You leave me no choice. Get your ass. Sarah. Yeah, go. I just slap you. You gotta deal with that. Watch your language or no pizza.